Ask an AI agent to build a PowerPoint today and it writes raw markup across a stack of Python libraries. But it never sees the result. It cannot tell if the title overflows or if two shapes overlap. It is editing blind. OfficeCLI gives an AI agent eyes and hands for Office files. It is a single self-contained binary. No Microsoft Office installed, no runtime to manage. From a clean command line, an agent can read, edit, and create Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Getting started is one line to install, then one command creates a blank deck and one more adds a slide with a title. What used to take 50 lines of Python across 3 libraries is now a single command. Here is the keystone. OfficeCLI has a built-in rendering engine, RunWatch, and it opens a live preview at localhost that refreshes on every edit. The agent renders the document, looks at it, and fixes the layout. That is the render, look, fix loop. The agent can see the document 3 ways: render it to a standalone HTML file, grab a per-page PNG a multimodal model can read, or open the live browser preview. It works for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, even in CI, Docker, or a headless server. To use it, hand your agent the skill. Pipe the skill file into its chat or run OfficeCLI install to inject it into every coding agent it detects, like Claude Code, Cursor, Windsurf, and Copilot. Then just ask for the document you want. OfficeCLI is open source, a single self-contained binary that runs anywhere. If you want your AI agent to actually produce Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, start it on GitHub, OfficeCLI.